morning. I'm ready. Today I have one client only because later this afternoon I will be meeting with my friends. Hopefully I will be finished early so that I still have time to prepare. Yeah. We will be starting 8 AM, so medyo maaga siya compared sa mga usual days. Kasi gusto din niya ng maaga. So I'm just waiting for her. It is almost 8 AM. It's 5 to 8, but advance yung aming relo. So I'm just gonna chill for 5 minutes and wait for her. Hopefully this day would flow very easy for me. I'm done. Tapos na ako. Finally, it is already 4 and I need to get ready. Whew, I did not get a lot of like picture or video sa aking client today because I was really in a hurry. So I guess I'm just gonna get ready to fly away. Hi Rookie. Rookie is here. Bye Rookie. I'm gonna have time of my life tonight but I'm tired. Yeah, I'm tired. I don't know if let's see what will happen. Think I'm ready. This is my outfit. Yeah. Ooh, it's already 5:30, so I better get going. This is gonna be my outfit, of course. I'm gonna wear a rubber shoes. Yan. It's cold already, so ganyan lang. See you. And I'm gonna look for them.
Shawi, mag-practice ka na.
Hindi ako marunong mag-kito.
Ayan na, nagawa mo ng Sprite. Hindi ko rin kaya. 2 Red Bulls ng isang bote nun. Grabe yun. It's Marvin Gaye. I know. Trouble with you. It's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
Yan. Bye, bye, bye. I know you like your lips are moving. Sige. Everybody's doing it.
So bright.
How far I go. Rika is here, di ba? 2019 yung last. Oh, tagal.
I know, pandemic eh.
Yeah.
Nakalito na sila.
And the rest of the gang, oh, di ba?
Hindi ko kalahati. Atras mo pati. Kasi nandito pa sa Sharon at saka sa Twiiter.
Ay, ganun. Magpipicture muna kami, okay? So we're going to transfer sa bahay ng aming friend. Natapos din mag-there sa ano. Not yet going home kasi hindi pa tapos yung aming mga kachikahan. Nandoon sila. Dito kami. Saan ka, Day? Kay Lani ka? So dito kayo kay Let. Nagkakagulo na. Oo, uuwi daw. Hindi daw pwedeng mag-iwan. Yeah, may bitbit ako mazura.
1, 2, 3, 4. O, tama. 7-seater? Oo. O, tama. Nakakomment ng una. Tapos nakalimutan niyo. Ay, birthday.
Hey, 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 I'm home. It is 1:40 a.m. in the evening. Yeah. Just got home. Look at me. Yeah. I am contemplating whether if I'm gonna eat because I'm feeling a little hungry. Yeah. Meron kasing binili na foodie si Yuki sa akin, so I don't know if I'm gonna eat this. It's already gone and I feel a little sleepy. Oh, looks delicious. Is this chicken? I think I'm just gonna eat. Yeah. I'm just gonna heat this up and yeah, guys. I'm just gonna call it a night because yeah, it's getting late. It's late. Hindi ko pala nahugasan yung aking bowl kanina. So, mamaya na lang. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat the foodie and I think I'm gonna call it a night because I'm pretty tired. Yeah, and yeah, I think that's it for today's video. And yeah, I had fun kanina. Really had fun. We went to karaoke, as you can see. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and thank you always for tuning in, and always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'm gonna see you all on my next video, and take care, everybody. Bye.